Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a one-way slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete one-way slab using working stress method for heavy manufacturing use with 8 feet span and assumed thickness of 5 inches. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 7,000 psi, main bars half-inch diameter bar grade 60, temperature bars half-inch diameter bar grade 60. The uniform load for 5 inches thick slab is 62 pounds per foot. A heavy manufacturing live load is 250 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot. Partition is 20 pounds per foot for a total load of 352 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S13. Length of span 8 feet. Slab thickness 5 inches. Main and temperature bars half-inch diameter at grade 60. Strength of concrete 7,000 psi and total load is 352 psf. Given Fc prime equals 7,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 6.081, K equals 0.444, J equals 0.852, R equals 596. Given W equals 352 pounds per foot, L equals 8 feet, the moment is 33,792 inch-pounds. The effective depth is 2.17 inches. Use 5 inches for total depth. Given M equals 33,792, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.852, and D equals 3.8, the area of steel is 0.43 square inch. The spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 5.5 inches. The area of steel for temperature bars is 0.108 square inch, and the spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 16 inches. The shear force is 1,408 pounds and shear stress is 30.88 psi, less than 92.03 psi. The total bar circumference is 3.43 and the bound stress is 126.79 psi, less than 500 psi. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 7,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, length of span is 8 feet, thickness is 5 inches, main bars of grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 5.5 inches on center, bend up alternate at L/4 plus extra top bars. Temperature bars of grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 16 inches on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.